10 secret websites that pay $100 a day. Yesterday, I wrote an article about 10 secret websites that pay $10 a day. The story's premise was that once lots of people discover a lucrative way to make money online, it often becomes less lucrative. Therefore, I decided to write about lesser-known sites to earn money online from. So, today I thought I would follow up with yesterday's article by covering 10 lesser-known websites that can pay $100 a day. ProductTube, a survey site, but not like any other survey site you've ever used. ProductTube will pay you to create detailed, informative video reviews on the products and services you use. The company claims you can make between $50 to $80 an hour posting video reviews. Rumble, like YouTube, lets creators monetize their video content. However, unlike YouTube, the platform gives you multiple ways to make money online. For example, if your video gets approved by a partner, you can earn $50. And if your video is good enough to make it to the homepage, you can earn $100. Wealthy Affiliate, one of the highest paying affiliate marketing sites that most people still don't know about. Wealthy Affiliate has created a system to help affiliate marketers become highly successful. If you find the right niche and follow their proven plan, you can earn significant passive income. nDash, while you've likely heard of writing sites like Constant Content, you may or may not be familiar with nDash. This innovative content creation platform encourages freelance writers to charge what they are worth, rather than work for as little as possible. I can personally attest to earning over $100 a day, on multiple occasions, writing on nDash. Skyword, another lesser-known content marketing company that enables freelance writers to make good money online by creating content for top brands. However, the vetting process is a bit more in-depth than other content mills. ClearVoice, this platform also connects top writers with big brand names looking to pay for premium content creation. Like nDash and Skyword, you can set your own rate. Testerup, this site reportedly pays up to $120 per test. For example, you can get paid to test websites, apps, products, as well as take surveys. JustAnswer, do you like answering questions and giving others advice? Could you be considered an expert in your field? If so, then you could potentially earn $100 a day by becoming an expert on JustAnswer. According to the company, top earners make $2,000 to $7,000 a month. $99 social. This opportunity is more like a work-from-home job than just a casual way to earn money online. Occasionally, $99 social hires writers to help social media managers create engaging content for their audiences. 24/7 Virtual Assistantss. Finally, one last work-from-home job on the list. 24/7 Virtual Assistantss often hires, you guessed it, virtual assistants to work remotely from their home. Since this is also more like a formal job, you can earn over $100 a day helping clients with outsourced administrative tasks.